Guys, baby mirror here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my 1 month transitioning hair update. So I just loosened my protective style. I made braids, and I'm going to measure my hair growth in 1 month, and then trim my split end. Yeah. Here I'm gonna chop off my split ends, but before then I'm gonna measure my hair growth in 1 month. If you look at my hair, oh my god, my edges are gone. I guess the braid I made was a bit tight, so I lost my edges. Well, that's not an issue for now. I'm still gonna grow back my edges actually. So first thing first, I'm gonna measure my hair growth. So if you look at my hair right here, you will see a bit difference between the roots and this one. So guys, I'm gonna measure it right now. I don't know if you guys are really seeing, but there is a bit difference between the natural hair and the one that has been damaged. Excuse me. So wow, I think I've grown almost 2 inches in 1 month. Like seriously, wow. Yeah, I've grown up to 2 inches in 1 month. Like 2 inches in 1 month. Like yeah. Actually, I'm surprised I've grown 2 inches in 1 month, because the best and the highest I've had is 1 inch and 1.5 inches in 1 month. Okay, I actually stopped applying relaxer on my hair over 2 months or a month and few weeks, but I actually started treating my hair, like applying aloe vera and other hair treatments 1 month ago. So I don't know, call it 1.5 months, call it 2 months. 2 inches is a whole lot. It's a whole lot of growth. Like yeah, it is. So guys, I'm gonna proceed to cutting off my split ends. So the first thing I will do is to comb my hair properly, so that I will ascertain how and where to cut my hair from. So make sure you comb it out real good, so that you know where you chop it off from. So I'm going to be trimming this split end, and if I don't comb it out well, I wouldn't know where to trim from. Trimming your split ends help improve your hair growth, like gives it space and room to grow. Like you see, as I'm combing my hair, it's even chopping off, so why keep it in the first place? So just get rid of the split ends at once and let your natural hair grow. I'm not ready for my big chop, but I think this helps. Like after 3, 4, 5, 6 months, and then I'm gonna do my big chop, and by that time I think my natural hair must have grown quite well, and then that's it. So I'm done combing my hair. So what I'll do is, it's time to chop off the split end. So if I start cutting it off this way, I'm gonna be confused. So the best thing I would do is to pack it first with this band, and then do it bit by bit. So I'll take out this chunk, and then that's it. The next thing I'm going to do is to comb my hair to see if they are all the same level, so I'll know if I would trim more. So now I'm done combing it, and everything seems to be the same length, but then I'm still seeing a bit split end, so chop them off. So I'm done trimming my hair, and that's it. So the next thing I'll have to do is to take care of my hair, use protective size, use some hair treatment like the natural ones like aloe vera. I heard about ginger and garlic also, and so many things, and allow your hair grow naturally, not using too much chemicals and all. So that's it. So this is my 1 month update. I'll catch you guys in my next video. I hope this helps a lot for those people trying to transit their hair to natural hair. Join me, because I'm on this journey, and I'll be glad if you guys, if you're on this journey, just drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're transiting to natural hair, the difficulties you're facing, and whatever it is. Just let me know you're on this journey with me down below. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome to my page, and enjoy all the videos. See you guys in my next video. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.